Today in this video we will see if the iPhone which you have purchased of or which you have received is carrier locked or unlocked. So we will see three ways. The first way is to go to settings here, go to cellular here. If you can see, there is a cellular data options, and if you can go inside and if you can choose the options here, that means your iPhone is unlocked. But this is not the accurate method. So the other way to check is to use a different SIM card in your iPhone. Use a different SIM card in your iPhone, and if the iPhone accepts the SIM card and if you can make calls, that means your iPhone is unlocked. And the last way by which you can know whether your iPhone is locked or unlocked is to use the imei service. Every phone has its unique imei number with which you can find out whether your iPhone is locked or unlocked. So if you want to know what is the imei number of your iPhone, go to settings here, go to general, go to about, and if I scroll down here, I can see the imei number of my iPhone. So note down the imei number of your iPhone, and then we will go to a web browser. We will look for a website called imei24. After that, what you will do is we have to put the imei number here and then press the check button. Now I have to select this option, I am not a robot. I have to solve this captcha. I have to select all images with crosswalks, verify, and then again select I am not a robot. Now I will scroll down here. This shows the details about my iPhone, and again I can go here and select locked or unlocked check. Now after that, again I have to enter the imei number, check. Again I have to select I am not a robot here, and again I have to solve this captcha. I have to select all squares with crosswalk, verify, all images with taxis, and then I have to select I am not a robot. Now I will scroll down here. If I see SIM lock status, it is showing unlocked. So this shows that my iPhone is unlocked. So these are the three ways by which you will be able to know whether your iPhone is locked or unlocked. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.